Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2016 Mazda CX-3 GS all-wheel drive. Let's take a look and see what this vehicle has to offer. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power mirrors, locks, and windows with an automatic driver's side window. This vehicle has full leather interior with a sunroof up top and seats 5 passengers, 2 seats in the front and 3 seats in the back. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Has USB inputs, Bluetooth audio, Stitcher, Pandora, AHA, XM, AM, and FM radio stations. Has a built-in navigation system, a rear view camera, heated seating, and many more great features.